So I decided I want to do a full glow up makeup for myself. But the only problem is that I really know only one makeup routine that I learned when I was 15. I use ChatGPT every day at my work, so why not try it as well for my makeup glow up? I sent it 2 pictures of my face, one from the front and one side profile, and the following script. You are a professional makeup artist who understands the universal concept of beauty. Here's my face from the front and from the side. Please plan me a makeup routine that increases my natural beauty. So let's see what we get. Step 1 is skin prep. First, you moisturize and prime your skin. Second in the skin prep is light foundation / tinted moisturizer. Okay, next in the skin prep, ChatGPT is telling me to put concealer here and here. All right. Oops, I have some on my hair as well. I don't have a powder with me right now, so we'll move on to step 2, which is contour and blush. My face is soft, balanced shape with a gently defined jawline and cheekbones. The goal is to enhance angles without making it look too harsh. And first we have cheekbones. I should start at the top of my ear and angle towards the corner of my mouth. And I should stop halfway and keep it thin and blend it upward to lift the face. I can always fix it later. Next, we have jawline contouring, applied on the underline of the jaw, staying just below the bone. And I should blend it downward to avoid a muddy look. Next in the contouring, we have nose. Use a tiny amount on the sides of the bridge. Maybe it's not so tiny. Let's see what happens. Now we've done the contouring. Next we have blush. You have a soft, rounded cheek shape. So the best placement for blush for me is above the contour on the highest part of my cheekbone. Okay, so it tells me not to apply it like here on these parts that come up when you smile. It only tells me to apply on the highest part on the cheekbone, which is like above the outer corner of the eye. So here, blend in an upward diagonal motion towards the temple for a lifted effect. And next we have the eyebrows. So first I should brush my brows upward. Now I'll just draw some structure. So the fourth part of the makeup routine is eyeshadow. And for this I will need 4 different shades. So I will do inner corner and center of the lid. And the medium color belongs to the outer third of the crease. So I think it's like this part here. It's not in the eyelid, but it's the wrinkle above it. I have no idea what I'm doing. The darkest shade will be blended upward diagonally to the brow. And next is the shimmer. Next, we have eyeliner and mascara. First, tight line with brown or black pencil. So I should apply on the inner lid. And next we have thin winged liner. Next, tiny inner corner flick. And last, mascara. So now the eyes are ready, and next we have the lips. Lip liner. So overline here and here. And then we have lipstick. Okay, here is the end result. Let's see. With the hair. Okay, so I need a bit more practice in applying makeup, but I think the instructions were pretty good. It fits my bone structure quite well. And, well, the eyes I need to improve myself. And if you want to try this yourself, just take photos of yourself from the front and from the side and attach this script I read out loud in the beginning of this video. If you try, tag me. I'm interested in seeing the results. Bye bye!